5:34 now. Admitted killer John Martorano is scheduled to get back on the stand to testify in the James Whitey Bulger trial.
Now, one of the prosecution's key witnesses providing details of his involvement in nearly 24 murders. Justin Michaels live outside Moakley Federal Courthouse, round 2 here from Martorano. What do we expect today, Justin?
Well, it's going to be another interesting day, I would just imagine. Yesterday, Martorano walked into the courthouse looking like the quintessential mobster, slicked back hair, fine Italian suit, sunglasses. It was interesting, he gave his testimony in sunglasses, which some of our legal analysts had never seen. And it's just, he's talking about the different murders, the different things that were going on. He gave very specific answers yesterday. He said yes, no, correct, no embellishment, no enhancement, just very simple answers. And we can probably expect more of the same today, but it's very interesting. These two men, John Martorano and Whitey Bulger, yesterday was the first time they had seen each other in person and were in the same room in 31 years. An amazing moment for people that could witness that. Now, Martorano was on the stand to testify against Bulger for the prosecution, of course. These are two old friends that were in this courtroom yesterday. In fact, they were so friendly at one time that Martorano named his youngest son after Bulger. Martorano has admitted to killing 20 people when he was part of the Winter Hill gang, and that's, of course, the gang that Whitey Bulger once led. And Martorano only served 12 years for those 20 killings in a plea agreement that brought him to court yesterday to testify against Bulger. Now, Bulger is, of course, on trial for 32 counts of racketeering, including 19 murders in the 1970s and 80s. In court, we learned Martorano was heartbroken when he learned that in the late 90s, Bulger and partner Stephen, the rifleman Flemmy, were working as FBI informants. And Martorano says that's when he decided to cooperate with the prosecutors to testify against Bulger in this very trial. Now, Monday only, the prosecutors had the chance to talk to Martorano in questioning that will continue today.
What the government's trying to do is what we call draw the sting. They need to lay out all their dirty laundry before they really can put some more meat on it to show the jury that some of what he says is worthwhile as to Whitey.
So as things get kicked off here at the courthouse again today at 9 o'clock this morning, the prosecution will continue their line of questioning against Martorano, and then hopefully the defense will get their cross-examination time. And then, of course, it could go back to the prosecution after that. We'll take a see at that. But it's going to be another interesting day, that's for sure. Back into you.
All right, Justin Michaels reporting live for us. Thank you. And throughout the trial, NECN will be bringing you live updates during the day, as well as full coverage on our website, NECN.com. Our Alicia Palumbo will be there in the courtroom, and you can follow her on Twitter. She's at Alicia NECN.